milk tea? I got you. Boba is strawberry.
Huwag na natin panoodin yung ano.
Ito. So, nalaro ko yung demo nito before.
Yung matakot. Kukurot. Pipingutin. Tapos sasayo sa labas. Pipingutin sa ano? Sa labas?
Pwede pakibalik dito. Ay! 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 Sa'yo mga bibili ko papabayo magsimula. Please to the likens.
Yung mukha, yun nakaganon. Yung parang, ayun na yung mukha ni Pwede na nakaganon. Wala na kasi rin.
Okay. And smash the bottom of the hand. It starts the Boba Tea Show.
Basta, very spooky siya. Yun. Kaya kayo nag-bear ko eh.
Warning, this game
Wala
contains
pala
loud
akong
noises,
sinasabi.
jump scares, and unsettling content. Okay. Winarningan na tayo mga pipi. After saving up for 5 years, I finally have enough money to open my own Boba Tea Shop. This is it. The moment where all those long corporate days finally pay off in the form of boba and drinks. But even with all this excitement, my nerves are on edge. I put everything into this place. I can't let it fail. Hell yeah. Die one.
Hindi ako marunong.
Okay, may isang jump scare dito na alam ko. May isang jump scare dito na alam ko. So, hindi na ako maano nun. Hindi na ako mayayari nun. Go counter, close counter. Guide. Check. Okay, customeration. Come on. Yes!
Yes naman!
Look at that.
Pero may sexy.
It's about time a Boba Tea Shop open around here. I have a Boba Milk Tea. Okay, can I like... Hindi pwede. Okay, Boba Milk Tea. Black tea container. Lagay mo dyan. Bayam.
Wow.
What do we have here? Milk? Fill cup with black tea and... Oh! Ito pala. Hell yeah. Maganda ng boba. Badacious. Ay, wait. May takip to, di ba? You can only deliver drinks to customer after... Oh! They have a sealer na. Dati walang sealer eh. Ata. Hell yeah. Look at that. Thank you. We have $8. Oh my.
Kano $8
Some customers may ask for a specific request. Listen carefully and don't mess up their orders, or I won't.
56.
What's all this fuss about these drinks? It's milk tea with tapioca, also known as boba. Okay, these drinks are trending among youngsters. You should try one. Alright then, I'll take one boba milk tea for my son and one black tea for myself. Not sure I trust those chewy things. Okay. Isang badacious. Black tea lang, no? Tama ba? Yeah, black tea. Tapos isang boba milk tea. Okay. We're doing fantastic, mga pipi. Look at us. I mean, look at us.
Ang 5, ay,
Okay. I hope I'm doing the right thing, mga pipi. Wala ba ibibilis yan? Let's... Yes, tama. Heh, this better be good.
yes, of course.
Kano binayad niya? 19! Let's go. I mean, 19 lang yung ano. What? Ba't mas mahal yung kanina? Bawal bata dito! Bawal bata dito! Yeah, Boba Tea Shop. Pixes, can I get one fresh milk with boba, please?
Ang
Fresh
5,000
milk?
sa Philippines is
With boba, so walang black tea.
511. Sayang.
Okay.
Ano ba? Hindi ko talaga gets.
Anong lasa niyan? Anong lasa nito kung ganyan lang?
Magkano
Yo, $50 sa'yo, ah.
457.
Give me. Bayang. Thank you. Dick says you should add strawberry boba to the menu. It will be a bestseller for sure. Shut up. Magtayo ka ng sarili mong tea shop. Huwag mo akong utusan. Expanding the menu could be a good idea. I will do some research after class. Staff phone.
Sa kanila pag
Oh, okay, nakalagay ito. Drinks and recipe.
I mean yung euro.
Okay.
Yung 8. Yung $8 sa sa...
It's si Popogi. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such a beautiful lady behind the counter. Anything will do, as long as you add in some boba sweet as you.
Yeah! No!
Shut up.
God! Ano daw?
Shut up. Okay. Drinks and recipe. Okay. Okay. It's si Papogi. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such a beautiful lady behind the counter. And I think will do. As long as you add in some boba sweet as tea. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, kahit ano daw, no? Yung typical lang. Gawin natin yung typical lang. Kung ano lang talaga yung tinda natin.
Galing po.
Okay.
Ako, pogi, oh.
G, thanks. Also, you look really cute. Can I have your number?
Ito? Sure.
Sure. No. Chuck, so well, can't blame a guy for trying. Here's a little extra.
Extra! Ganyan na gusto ko. Mayaman siya.
You have 36. Saglit pa lang tayo nagtitinda. That is all for today. I should clean the shop and prep for tomorrow. Shut. Flip the store signage to close out. Dito ba yung jump scare? Dito nga, Pash!
Hindi yan jump scare. Tao yan.
Okay, alam ko na to. Actually, alam ko na to mga pipi. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I saw you were about to close and I had to rush in. It's fine, come over to the counter. I'll take your
Ay,
order.
okay na. Ganun na.
Thank you so much.
Isa. Pag nawalit pa yan, Mika, ng ilang beses, sasayo ka na dun. Diba,
I'll take boba milk tea with extra boba.
dapat yun lang sa sala yan.
Pag extra boba, alam ko lalagyan lang natin ng extra boba.
Dun pa sa ano?
I know, mga pipi. I know. Okay, so dalawa yan, bayam. Okay, lagyan na natin siya dito.
Hindi ka, 36 dyan.
Yan.
36 lang
Supsupin mo
dyan.
lahat ng boba na yan.
Pero pag dito sa Philippines,
Galante ako, galantatious.
2,000.
Superstitious. Eh?
56 pa.
Ang madalas nilang kinikita dyan, mga
Hell yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Ano
Hindi naman lang kinuha yung
500 yun.
$10.
28,560.
Holy
Okay.
shit, mag-ibang
Can
bansa
I
na
like
lang
close
tayo.
na?
Sabi, mamamali mo sa'yo pag binigay ng $500.
Good. Keep the chairs.
Pag binigay lang yung $5, okay na yun, sapat na yun sa
Hell
akin.
yeah. Yo, look at the view. Sino maglalagay ng boba milk tea shop sa 100th floor?
Ano ka lang 285?
Sino pupunta dito? I don't know. Take map from the staff from clean dirt spots on the floor. Okay, I know. I know. Vampire, right?
100. Nalow pa rin ako.
Di ko lang sure kung dito ba natapos yung demo. Ata.
Oo nga, 5,700.
Dito ata natapos yung demo, mga pipi. Exit shop and end shift.
Pag naguluhan ka ng ninong mo ng $800.
Okay. Tuntog mo sarili mo. Dahil you're great.
45,708.
Hehe, that's it, mga pipi.
Meron ko ng 57,100.
Okay, let's see. I've introduced the coffee series into the menu. This should keep those workaholic awake. Also, thanks to that little girl's suggestion,
20?
I've added strawberries into the mix. Time to wow the customers with some new drinks. The recipe for the new drink is jotted down on the whiteboard in the staff room.
Sinabi ko na.
Hey. Okay, flip that open. Open na kami! Ilan nyo? Okay. Latte. Americano, fresh milk. Add strawberry for a sweet aroma. Add boba for better enjoyment. Hey, how are you? Oh, it's you! Nagustuhan mo I see you have added coffee drinks to the menu. Give me 1 boba milk tea and 1 Americano. Okay, para sa anak niya yung boba milk tea for sure.
Umika, yaman mo na. Magdala ka ng 500 sa
you
Korea,
okay?
meron ka ng 12,240.
Buti pa si ate! Sherry for PGM every day. 66 na nutrients at essential vitamins for teens. Sherry for tangkad sagat. Mahalagang paalala, ang Sherry for PGM 10 to 22 ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Okay, this sir? Okay. Tapos, kape.
Pangit pa sa United States.
Okay, Americano. Tama ba? Fresh milk.
Sa ano?
Latte. Wait. Ano ba sabi niya? Americano, right? Okay. Bakit mo ginawa yung file? Para pag may umorder. Para pag may umorder. Naka-ready na. Ano ginagawa ko? Huwag niyo akong turuan. Ano what I'm doing? Ano what I'm doing? Okay, sir? Pag may umorder ng latte, nandyan na agad yan. Actually, gagawa na ako ng ng naka-ready na milk tea. Gusto ko swift tayo, swift. Thanks. Just a heads up for you. I will be running maintenance on the electrical circuit of this building. So expect some power outage from time to time.
Oh my God.
Why?
Bakit?
So mamatayan tayo ng ilaw. Okay, di ko na alam yung next dito. Hanggang doon lang yung
Ang arte ba nun? Gusto ko din.
Give me 2 boba strawberry milk tea. Hurry up, I need my energy replenished after a whole day of work. Wow! Okay. 2 boba strawberry milk tea. Strawberry tea. May latte na ako na naka-ready. Boba strawberry tea. Okay, sa pang ganun. Yeah, I'm doing nice. I'm doing fantastic, bro. Wait. Milk tea. No, this is mali. Actually, dito lang to. Hindi ko ilagyan ng gatas. Yan ang bauhay yan, oh. Parang ang sarap naman tignan ng mga ginagawa natin. Parang gusto ko ng milk tea. Okay, fantastic. Kita niyo mga pipi, I'm fast, bro. I'm very fast. Wait lang, madam, ha? Okay. What took you so? Oh, fuck you! I almost died of exhaustion here. Shut up! You working out like that? Yeah, you added strawberry into our menu. To your menu. Please make me any drink with strawberry in it. Any drink with strawberry in it. Okay. Wait lang, bata. Wait lang. Did you not pay your electricity bills, big sis? Here's a little extra for your electric. Wow. Nagbigay pa siya ng tip. I don't like the light flickering switch and nickering.
Yes!
Sexy.
What is wrong with your store? Huh? Yung nakita yung nandito, yung nalaglag. What? What is wrong with your store? There is no electricity. Anyway, give me a cup of strawberry milk tea. Latte ito eh. Strawberry milk tea. Goddamn mga pipi, I'm so scared. Okay, ang ganda ng pagkaagawa nila sa sa full game, I like it. Sana may umorder ng latte. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yes.
This is not what I ordered. What? Boba strawberry milk tea. Ano bang gusto niya? Strawberry milk tea. Ah, shit, walang boba. Boba ka pile. At least may naka-ready na tayo. Right? Yan. Okay na ba yan, ma'am? Ha? Okay. Thanks for doing your job. Yeah, thanks for the money.
Thank you for
Wait, I have telephone? Hey there, it's me again from just now. Just want to inform you that I have completed the electrical maintenance. Ah, thank God. You shouldn't be experiencing any power outage anymore. That's all. Bye. Okay, kala ko pag talikod ko may jump scare. You the jump scare? Well, hello there. This place has a really cozy vibe. So many choices. I don't even know where to start. Say, do you have any caffeinated milk to drink?
Pag may
Oh,
25
I have this.
ka sa United States,
Yeah.
naman sa Japan, 4,000.
Yeah, let's say, sir.
14,000.
Kaagawa ko lang nito, hindi pa to kanina. Just how I like my coffee. Smooth, creamy, and milky. Here's a little tip for making it how I like it. $8 yung tip mo? Tayo na. I'm rich, bro. Flip store signage to close. Clean your shop or end shift. Clean your shop or end shift. I'm ending my shift. Ba't ako maglilinis? Bakit ako maglilinis, mga pipi? I don't do that. We don't do that, mga pipi. Look, I have added chocolate series into the menu. Now my customer should have more variety of things to choose from. Good, good. Okay, flip storage, open. Ever open, guys! Yeah, that's right. Motivation yun. Umuulan pa. It's a motivation, mga pipi. Look at that. Okay, customer ration. Customer ration.
Yes, si Miss Beautiful.
Hello, it's you again. Okay, give me a cup of boba mocha. Boba mocha. Make sure you do it right. Boba mocha. How do I make boba mocha? Americano plus chocolate, of course. Fine, dapat alam mo na yan. So, may boba, no? Okay. Actually, gawa na ako ng ano. Gawa na ano yan. Boba mocha. That is right. That is right. Okay, ready na natin yung mga nandito. Ganun tayo, mabilis tayo eh. Yeah, this looks fine. Anyway, have you heard about the woman who jumped from... So, babae pala yung nalaglag kanina. Akala ko ano lang. Okay. The stress must have gotten to her. I understand working a corporate job is stressful. Corporate life isn't easy, but some of us have an image to maintain. You wouldn't get it, working a low-stress job. Hey, shut up! Shut up! Wag mo ko inaano. Kumikita ako ng $100 to $200 a day. See? See, I have 124 now, bitch! Or ito pala yung kinikita ko buong bukas ko. I don't know. Oh, it's you again, huh? You want that coffee? You want that coffee? What do you want, Mario? Well, hey there. Nice to see you again. Could you give me one chocolate milk? I've had enough caffeine this morning. Oh.
Kung ano?
What is that? Sir, nakita mo yun, sir? Imposible hindi mo nakita yun, sir. Tayo ng buhay, ano? Ano yun? Yun, hindi ko man lang nakita. Basta ba nakita ko lang may gumalaw?
Ulo?
I don't like that.
Fighting ulo yun.
Oh, wait. Inulit mo lang sinabi mo. Chocolate milk. Shit, Americano yung fine. Chocolate milk lang, fine. Ah, ang dami naka-ready, ah. Namamali, ah. Okay, chocolate milk, chocolate milk. May mga ganun jump scare. Pwede siya... May lumalabas kung saan-saan. Thank you. Thank you lang sabihin mo.
Hindi yan Jollibee. 1,000. Ano yan?
I don't like that. Ah,
Tingnan
fuck
mo
it.
siya.
See again. Give me a double boba strawberry milkshake. Chocolate milk. Wait, what? Double boba? Double boba strawberry chocolate milk. Make it quick. I've got another lap to run.
Di ba wala na magbubaw?
Okay. Shit. Strawberry chocolate. What the heck is that order? What the heck is that order? Yes, 2 Strawberry chocolate, tapos dalawang boba. Ah.
No way! Asawa ko!
Asawa ko yan! Akin na yun.
Ako yun.
Alam ko yun.
Akin na din! Wag ko.
Kay Nisha yan.
For free.
Mawatik talaga ako ngayon.
Ito na ha. Ina mo, maghintay ka. Bilis-bilis ko magtrabaho. Ina mo ha. This is not what I order. You can't even get a simple order, right? Wait. Double boba strawberry chocolate. Double boba strawberry chocolate. May milk. Putay na nandun sa dulo, hindi ko nakita. Stupid. You stupid. Ha? Okay. Did you like? Hindi ko nakita mga pipi eh. Ay, ng buhay yan, oh. Sana may umorder nito para hindi sayang. Yeah. Took you long enough. I couldn't run another lap by now.
Eh, naganap lang yung HQ.
Yoshi, annoying as hell. Sana makasalubong mo yung mumu dyan. You dumb bitch. Bawal bata!
Ang cute.
An order. Hi, miss. I really like your boba tea. My dad always get...
Ay,
Ano, tatay na yung yung electric... Wait. But he's super busy today, so I came to get it for him instead. Can I have one boba milk tea and one mocha, please? Yung may nag-CR, puta yun na. Shit. Hindi ko makalabas. Boba milk tea saka mocha. May mocha ba ako? Boba milk tea.
Yung babae.
Shit. Okay. Okay, may mocha. Yan, naka-ready. Yo, may pumasok sa CR.
Yun yung Beba Loves.
What? No freaking way. That's gonna jump scare me. Boba milk tea, okay. Thanks, miss. Waiting for my dad every day is so boring. May tao dun na.
Matano? Doon. Uy,
Oh.
sexy din.
Oh, hi. You don't happen to have any matcha drinks, do you? That's a shame. I really love matcha. Oh well, in that case, I'll take a boba chocolate. Okay, boba chocolate. I got you. Stay there, miss, okay? So baka magkaroon pa tayo ng matcha, no? Here you go! Thanks, but seriously, add some matcha to the menu and you'll see me here all the time. Pag ikaw, hindi ka pumunta, ha? Lumabas na ba yung... Di ba hindi pa? What the heck?
Tagal naman doon eh. Hindi pa Jeps. Uy. Ganda din ah.
Okay. Hello there, sweetie. Such a lovely little shop you have here. Could I have a cup of strawberry chocolate, please? Strawberry chocolate. Shit. Double buba kasi ito eh.
Sakit ang bag.
Strawberry chocolate. Tapong ko na nga ito. Wala na akong order nito eh.
Kasi may murder daw na.
Strawberry chocolate. Meron ba siyang buba? Wala. Strawberry chocolate lang. Okay. As is, mga pipi. As is. Tumitingin ako sa likod kasi mamaya lumabas na yung lalaki. Tayo na. Thank you, sweetie.
Aww.
You look a little pale. Like you've seen a ghost or something. Make sure you get enough sleep, dear. Night can be unkind to the restless. Okay. It is closing time now. I should probably check if anyone's still in the toilet.
Ano yun yan, Dari? Yeah!
Shit.
Eh, pasukin mo na.
Shit.
Hello, excuse me, is anyone here? Oh? Walang tao dyan. Oh? Diba? Told ya. Piling ko hindi nagpakamatay yun. Piling ko tinulak yun.
What happened?
Sila kayong tumalon.
You're crazy. Sir, we're closing soon. Are you going to order? Yo, you're crazy! I'm seeing things lately. I should leave early and get professional help. Clean your shop or end chip. End chip. I choose end chip. I choose end chip. This game's crazy. I've been feeling off lately. Maybe it's just the stress. I even went to see a psychologist about it. She said that I'm fine. That's all in my head. Wow. But I can stop now. Business picking up with the new menu. And I need to keep things running. Okay. Open. Yay. Layo agad. Oh, may matawag na naman. Okay. What now? Hello, is this Miss Risa? This is Dr. Amanda, your psychologist from yesterday. I wanted to check in on you. You mentioned seeing things. That can happen when you're under a lot of stress. If you see something that isn't really there, try shifting your focus away and take a deep breath for a few seconds. Most of the time, that should help. But if it doesn't, maybe consider leaving work early and getting some rest. Oh. Okay. Uy, kalbo! Wala ko order mo. Okay. Yeah. Freaking knew it, mga pepe. Yeah, give me 2 Americanos, 1 latte, and 1 mocha. And none of that boba crap. Okay, Americano, latte, mocha. Gotcha. Americano. Ah, shit.
Natabon pa eh.
Latte mocha.
Stress na nga.
Okay. So, pang Americano. Shit. Okay. Tapos latte. Hell yeah. Okay, I'm just saying things, mga people. I'm just saying things. Right, sir? Good, everything's here. Hitting the road with my family. Gotta keep them awake so they don't pass out on me. Wait lang, pumunta ka ng 100th floor? Eh, saan siya nakapark? Later, loser. Hey! Don't you dare loser me! Ayan to, kalbo. Wala kang buhok. Wait, may matcha na ba ako? Oh, matcha! Lemon slice. Wow, we have a lot.
Nakatita.
Okay, boba matcha latte. Make it quick. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yun yung mga ninong natin na
Okay, sir.
tayo pag
Matcha latte. Yo, this look delicious. Look at that. Parang delicious siya. Running a company isn't easy, you know. Just the other day, one of my employees decided to run away from her responsibilities. Left a mess behind, and now I have to clean it up for her. What the heck? Unlike her, I don't get up the luxury of walking away. Hundreds of people rely on me to feed their families. Thankfully, I found a replacement pass. Sorry, that was a weird thing to rant about. Here, consider it a little extra for it. $50? Hell yeah, magkwento ka pa. Actually, makikinig ako sa lahat ng kwento mo. Natawa ako kasi may pintuan ako sa likod. Okay,
yes,
we chill. Oh, it's the lady! You want a matcha? You have added matcha? That's awesome! Can I have boba strawberry matcha milk tea? I gotcha. Boba strawberry matcha milk tea. Wait,
Look
what?
away! Look away! Okay na.
What was that?
Tangina na panood
Wait,
ko na
ulit
yun.
ako.
Dapat di ako nag- sumigaw ka. Sumigaw ka.
What the heck? And ito yung kalbo, di ba? Shit! Ah, okay! Don't look! Sabi ng doktor! Okay. I get it. I freaking get it, mga pepe.
Sabi ko na
I know it all along.
Sabi ko, look away.
Gadashius, pistachios. Ito na, hindi ka pa umaano. Ito na yung order mo agad. Ah, shit, natapon. Shit! Hindi ka pa nagsasabi ng order mo. Ito na agad ang order mo. Ang bilis ko, no? Ayun na. Don't die.
Hindi, that's not.
Okay. Boba strawberry matcha milk tea. Boba is strawberry matcha. Okay. Hindi ko natago ako dito. Yeah, shut up. Yeah. Kailangan ko ba talaga magtago?
Kung kaway nga lang, di ba?
Oh shit. Meron pa din eh. May kumakabog eh. Ano ba?
Hindi naman akala ikaw pala makakasama ang hanap ko.
Noon.
Basang-basa sa ngayon.
Oh! Hell yeah! Okay. Boba strawberry matcha milk tea.
Boba, strawberry.
Boba is strawberry.
Matcha milk.
Nawawala ako. Kinakabahan ako. Nawawala ako mga pepe.
Mga baby.
Ang ganda.
Looks nice. Looks nice.
Ganda ng choices.
Okay. Thank you. Here's some extras for you. Thanks. Thanks, Mrs. Grabe, 294 na kinikita natin. Kaso sa buong bukas natin to, no? Hindi ngayong araw lang. Okay, kid. Please make me any drink with strawberry again. Any drink with strawberry again. How about I make you chocolate and strawberry? Okay, you chill. With boba.
Siya.
At pala hindi ko tinapon yung kanina kasi may strawberry yun. Here you go. Thank you again, Big Sis. Here's a little extra for your hard work.
Bait.
Yay! Hehe.
Hehe.
Kinakabahan ako. Okay.
Yes! Yes. Si Miss, love you.
Ang arte-arte maglakad. Give me a strawberry mocha.
Game na yan,
Okay,
Julian.
strawberry mocha.
Araw-araw nandiyan. Siya pera.
Okay. May boba ba? Wala. Okay. Making sure lang mga pipi. At kailangan ko tumalikod. Shit. Here you go. Great. Now, back to working I go. Yes.
Oh, ganun.
Flip story, store signage to close.
Oh?
What the heck? Sir, natapon dito.
Ano? Saan pa nga?
Clean your shop.
Ate, kaya mo yun.
Ba't ako maglinis?
Ate,
Pag mo lang
Ba't ako
ginising,
maglilinis?
bagay
Ate.
tubo ng...
Ulol.
ano yung ginawa niya ate Denise?
Yeah, but parang andilim. I haven't really been feeling like myself lately. Maybe it's just stress or not getting enough sleep. But I've got a business to run and people are starting to come back more often. Just gotta keep going, one cup at a time.
Ano lang yan? Ganto-ganto lang.
What? Ba't ang dilim?
Tapos, yung ginagalan, tapos di ko kaya ganyan. Pag yung sa tuloy ko. Ang ina!
Oh, gising mo sarili mo. Gising.
Tuloy ko.
Do we have new ano?
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, shit. Bakit may undan? What the heck?
Ay, sorry.
Okay, hinga lang saglit. Hinga lang konti. Inhale, exhale. Okay?
Oh. Oh, kaya
Still there. I don't know. Jump scare me if you want. Can I get a boba milk tea and one boba americano? Yeah, I know I said I didn't trust boba. But my side finally talked me into trying it. Guess there's first time for everything. Boba milk. Okay, chill. Okay, humirap yung laro ah. Hindi siya nawawala eh. Boba milk tea. No let shit. Boba milk tea, okay. I gotcha. Okay, hinga konti. Huwag titingin. Shit. Don't jump scare me. Okay, hinga konti. Okay, good.
Sino?
Father kaya.
Huwag lang siya titingnan. Boba Americano.
Tagal na namin magkasama.
Boba Americano.
Magkasama, lagi ka bang tinatawag ganyan?
Sa amin.
Uy, pag tinanong kay tayo, Ma'am Lucy, dati ako estudyante. no?
Hindi, fantastic, bro. Hindi, fantastic, bro.
Pag tinanong kita, kung kilala
Thanks.
ka, ah.
If this damn things choke me to death, I'm coming back to haunt
Dati
you.
yung tinatawag ako, Seko! Sa Seko! Luto mo nga, ano kinuha ko
Hey!
Baka sa
We chill, we good.
Lagi, hindi
May
naman,
customeration.
sa ibang mga kilala niyo na mabait.
hindi naman niya.
Wala na talaga, di ko siya titignan na matagal.
Pag ano,
Deary, could you cup green tea, please? Okay, green tea. How to make green tea? I don't know.
Ay, nag-absent ako. Tapos dalawa.
Black tea,
Tapos
matcha powder.
na-
Ba't meron tayong lemon slice?
kailangan yun. Bakit mo lang? Kailangan dapat.
Okay, walang boba. Pwede na yan, green tea. Let's go. Huwag mo na siya titignan. Everything's gonna be good.
Uy, di mo alam.
All is good. All is well.
Alam ko po.
The yin energy in this place is strong. Gives me goosebumps. I better leave while I still can. Yeah, malis ka na.
Ay, pinagpapalala.
Okay. Oh shit! That's freaking her!
Pangay ni YouTube.
You want to take the order? You want to take, I take the order. I take the order.
Dapat mabilis to yun.
Double boba mocha milk tea. Double boba milk. Or else. Okay. Double boba. Double boba. Double boba matcha milk tea! Come on! Ah, shit. Walang gatas! Hindi ko nalagyan ng gatas! Shit! This is not what I order.
Ah! Ano yung kinisan? Pangatlo na yan!
Lalagyan mo ng gatas! Tangan mo ay ulit na naman.
Hey!
Guys, I was just joking. I was not even serious at that.
Siya pala yung order.
Ayaw mo lang talaga.
Okay.
Wala yung
Okay,
babae.
don't F this up, pile. Don't F this up.
Si mama talaga.
No, nababaliw ako eh. Nababaliw ako.
Tingnan mo yung babae.
Okay, you got this. You got this.
Bakla sa'yo ako
Double
nagulat eh.
boba.
Kaya ako multo.
Matcha milk tea.
Matcha milk
Double
tea.
boba matcha milk tea.
Double boba matcha milk tea.
Tingnan mo na ano.
Double boba matcha milk
Double
tea.
boba matcha milk tea. Gatas. Come on.
Bilis! Wag! Ito yung maingay.
It's not double boba.
Totoo lang.
Woo! Thank you.
Sige, ito na. Start na talaga.
Shit.
Sige, ibig sabihin send na rin ako.
That was epic close, mga pipils.
There's more even
Okay,
than that.
where are you? Eh, bago siya. Detective? Hello, nice to meet you. I am detective nga siya. I am an inspector from Department of Health. I need to run a quick cleanliness check on your shop.
Konti.
Oh shit, di naglilinis.
Yung mata.
This to make sure that your shop meets the standard needs. Don't worry, you may continue serving your customer normally. Just pretend I'm not here. Oh shit. Dash! Fudge!
Oh!
I'm sorry. Medyo madumi. Hello, little sis. Hi, big sis. I'm kind of bored of strawberry. Can I try lemon tea instead? Oh. Siya ang magta-try nun. So, lemon tea. Actually, mas boring ang lemon tea. Mas boring ang lemon tea. Okay, nag-CR siya. Shit. Yung nanda-jump scare ko sa CR ang pots. Thank you, big sis. Wait, no tip today?
Pwede.
No tip today?
Parang may
Oh,
makikita
360.
siya diyang katawan. Nakabata.
Okay, si Matcha Girl. Anything Matcha and Sweet will do. I'm too tired to choose. Okay. Anything Matcha. Sweet.
Kaan ba dapat? Cars. Cars?
Wait, hindi pwede.
Lumabas na yung nasa CR.
Hindi pwede. Chocolate sa matcha. Na? Okay. With sweet. Agatas. Okay.
Ikaw yun.
You need boba? Okay, hindi na. Wait, may pumasok. Di ko nakita. It's alright, I guess. Here, a little something for you. $5. Okay, dito tayo, banda. Okay, si Inspector pa din. Good. Shit. I've completed the inspection of your shop, but unfortunately, it is very filthy. It does not meet the standard of cleanliness of the Ministry of Health. I have no choice but to issue you a fine of 100! Kilan to! Please make sure to clean your shop thoroughly next time. No! I don't feel so good. You should leave the office soon. Exit shop to end shift. Tayo na kinaltasan pa tayo, pot. Die 6. Ilan day ito, mga pipi.
May consequences yung pag hindi.
Zero deaths na tayo, ha? Please, zero deaths na. Every day, feels like I'm slipping further. The things I see, sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not. I don't even know what's real anymore. But this shop is my dream. I've worked too hard to let it all fall apart. Now, so I smile, I serve, and I'll keep going. Wow, yan ang worker. Shit, ang dilim! Ang dilim! Gising! Pwede ko buksan to para maliwanag? Shit, ang dilim. Walang ilaw yung CR! Walang ilaw yung CR! Shit, me!
Hi.
Eto. Even like a weather.
Fifi, help me. Here is your supplement ng mga...
Welcome to the future of entertainment kung saan ka makakagawa ng kahit anong kwento. Tawag mo na ang Cardayar ng libre.
Si Kalbo ba yan? Si Kalbo, okay. Yo, had the best road trip of my life, and look at you, still slaving away behind the counter. What a loser. Anyway, give me a matcha latte strawberry mocha. What? Yung bitch? Fuck. Wait, may tao dun? Matcha latte. Shit!
Holy.
Nakakalito na bigla.
Holy. Yan lang yan, makikita-kita na.
Huwag ka lang titingin pa. Strawberry mocha. Agad. Strawberry mocha. Yung strawberry...
Parang tinig ko yung love.
Strawberry... Spice shots! No! Tago mo lang yan? Walang katas. Yung tampo.
Bilis wala ka sa sunod. Naka-stop or ano?
Yun, may nakatayo dun, oh. I don't like, bro.
Baka ako sa
Ang galing may taga-auto.
Okay, nice. You do know how to follow instruction. Guess even losers can learn. What the hell?
Wala, 10% na lang yung cellphone.
Kaya pa yan.
No!
Saan? Hindi naman natakot ah.
Okay, huwag mo lang sa'yo titignan, Pyle. Huwag mo lang sa'yo titignan. I got this. Okay, tingin sa lapag. Shit, tatlo na sila. Okay. Strong coffee, no milk. And make it quick. Some of us have real jobs to get back to. Strong coffee. Okay. No milk, right? Fuck. For a second there, I thought I had to teach you how to brew coffee. Okay. Okay, another customer ration. God damn. Fuck. Okay. Si Matcha Girl ba to? Hindi, si Sungit. Boba Matcha Milk Tea. Hurry, I need to get back to my important work. Boba Matcha Milk Tea. I got you.
Boba matcha.
Shit. Oh, fuck. What?
Oh my God.
Good job, I guess. What is happening? Ba't ako minumulto?
Isha! Minumulto na ako ng
Hi.
damdamin ko.
Oh, shh!
Ganda niya.
Hi! Where the hell have you been? I've been ringing that bell for 10 minutes! Kakastart mo lang, not everyone has time to sit around and wait for you to finish whatever you were doing. Could have walked to another cafe, grab a drink, and come back by
Ayun
now.
ka!
Is this how you treat your customers? No wonder this place is always so quiet. You can't just leave the counter unattended like that. What if someone came and robbed the place? Honestly, wait, nagbabasa pa ako ah. What? Wait, nagbabasa pa ako ah! Damn, I need to pee so badly. I'll just go get a drink from here and use their toilet. Wait, customer ako! Oh, I'm a customer now! Hell yeah! Ba't ang liwanag na yan? Oh, that's us. Yeah, that's us. Hi there, what can I get you today? Okay, boba strawberry milk, boba latte milk, boba. Okay, yung pinaka-basic lang. Is that all? Yes. And can I borrow the toilet while I wait? I'm very so sorry. Our toilet is for staff only. Staff only? Please wait a moment. One boba strawberry milk tea coming right up. What? Toilet for staff only? Screw that. I will sneak into the toilet while she is making my drink. Bakit may mga bag dito? What the heck? Yo! Napuno na tayo! Who would do such a thing? I need to leave immediately and call the police. Okay, she's busy. Gotta run.
Wala! Wala yung jump scare.
Yo! Napuno na tayo! Who would do such a thing? I need to leave immediately and call the police. Okay, she's busy. Gotta run. Okay, she...
Ganun mo.
I need to leave immediately and call the police. Okay, she's busy. Gotta run. How's she teleportation? What the hell? I told you the toilet is for staff only. But nobody ever listens. Not when they look at me like I'm a failure. But they kept coming in with their eyes, staring, judging. This shop is my sanctuary, my little world. You were